The vibrant turako, with its striking plumage and melodic calls, brings color and melody to this green world. Their presence is a living testament to the wonders of biodiversity. Slithering silently, the ball python moves with a grace that echoes the rhythms of the forest. It's a symbol of the many secrets this land holds. Their existence reminds us that beauty often hides in plain sight. The eastern gorilla, a relative of the western lowland gorilla, stands as a sentinel of resilience. It's a testament to the strength needed to thrive here. Their determination is a reflection of the indomitable spirit of the rainforest.